Hi, I'm Amy from Restoring Venus, and here are some helpful hints and tricks as you continue on your journey of movement, self-discovery, and pain education. Today, we're going to be making mindfulness jars, and I am here with my illustrious daughter, Erin. Erin and I really struggled when she was younger and I was in a lot of pain to try to find things to do together. And with both of us finding Pinterest, even though I'm not in pain, we found lots of things to do. So we're gonna make a mindfulness jar. Erin, can you grab that one? So here's one we've already made, and what you're gonna end up making is a little jar full of glitter and glue, and you can shake it up. Ooh, it looks like Cinderella. And you can use this mindfulness jar for a timeout for your younger ones.
Too old for timeouts.
I know, but if you're a little bit younger. Or for yourself as a mom. I'm just going to stare at the glue till it settles, okay? I'll just...
We have video. We can't wait that long.
Dang it! Okay, I made mine settle for about 20 minutes because as an adult, I find I need a little bit more time to be mindful. I've also used it to write journaling prompts and kind of get some thoughts out of my head when I need a moment. So you will find those on my blog at restoringvenus.com, as well as the recipe that we'll use today. So, Erin, can you kind of go through I feel like you're my queen of glitter. Can you go through what we're going to use today?
Yeah, okay. So we got two different glues. We chose to use just glitter glue. It looks black on camera, but it's actually black glitter. But you can use clear glue if you want, or some other colored glitter glue, but we're making it for boy, so he wanted black because he's kind of boring. But it's okay, because we're making a galaxy theme. So we have some chunky glitter silver stars. You probably can't see them, but they're in there. Oh goodness, please don't fall.
Oh, yep, that's kind of...
Then we have this, it's like black, but also purple. It's very cool looking. Just a small micro glitter.
How's that?
Micro glitter, and then we have a micro shimmer in here.
No.
Actually, no, this one's...
That's the cool one.
Oh, yeah, this one's actually glow-in-the-dark glitter, which I've never heard of before. But it's a micro shimmer, so it also, in the light, it turns purple. It's really pretty. And then we have a chunky black glitter right here.
All the different glitters will settle at different rates, and that's kind of fun as you swirl it up in your jar. So we just added them to a little cup to make it easier for you, the viewing audience.
You will also need, oh goodness, Dawn dish soap. Super glue to glue your cap shut, and food coloring if you choose. We have black icing glitter.
Like we used blue in this one.
Yeah. And then to get, depending on what container you're using, we have an old Starbucks cup.
Since we are all adults in the house, we decided to go with glass Starbucks cups because we like frappuccinos.
Yeah, they're cute.
You can also go with plastic water bottles.
But yeah, you can use Goo Gone right here to get the labels off of it and make it all look nice.
So, the first thing we're going to need to do is heat up enough water to fill the container. So, Erin and I just put water in the container, dumped it into the measuring cup. We don't like math. Keep it simple. 2 minutes later, the water's hot, and we're going to pour it into our bowl.
It's really hot, so be careful.
Woo! And you get a little facial at the same time.
Stop.
Okay, in goes the glitter glue.
Boom goes the dynamite.
This is an 8-ounce bottle. I'm going to use about half of it. It's a craft project. We don't get real excited about accurate measurements. So just have fun. The amount of glitter that you will put in, just do it to your preference. What do you think?
That's good.
Oh, my bottle still feels pretty heavy, so I'm going to shake it up. Go ahead and we're going to melt the glue in the water. It gets a little frothy, don't worry, that'll settle out.
There might be enough glitter in here that we don't have to use food dye. the glue itself might already have dye in it, so we'll just have to wait and see.
And the glitter you can pick up from any craft store. And for those of you that are not keen on shopping, I'm certain that Amazon will have it. So just pick your colors. We're gonna add a little bit of food dye. We couldn't find the toothpicks. Use whatever you got.
This stuff is so strong. You only need like the teeniest bit. Can you put the cap on?
I can. Now, I know some of you have a really hard time standing for a long time in one position. So while you're working in the kitchen with your little one, remember, you can be sitting at a kitchen table. You can pull a chair up. One of the things I used to do when doing kitchen tasks was I used to open the cabinet door and then just prop my foot up, and it gave me a little bit of relief so I could stand that way a little bit longer. Footstool would work as well. You never minded that, did you? When I'd open cabinets and stand in them?
No.
There's ways we could do things longer, right?
Add food coloring to taste.
To taste or to?
To taste, to preference, to... No! It's not edible glitter.
Okay, now here comes my favorite part. We get to sprinkle in all the glitter. So now that we have the glue melted and the glitter added, the only thing left is to get it inside the jar. If you have a funnel, I would suggest that. We don't, so we're going to pour it back into our cup. I feel the need to get a spatula. I mean, we don't want to leave all the glitter in the bowl.
No, of course not. Leave no glitter behind.
Some people may have heard the saying, glitter is the herpes of the craft world.
Once you have it, it never goes away.
There may be some truth to that. So if you're a particularly clean family, I would suggest, I don't know, taping off the entire workspace. If you don't mind a little bit of glitter. It'll come out eventually. All right, so we're gonna fill our jar.
And it's better to leave a little bit of space at the top. That way you can shake it up easier.
And our jar is still really hot, so we're gonna let it cool down. But your last step, because we'd hate to have anybody taking the top off, is to just Gorilla Glue the heck out of your top and put it on. And now you have a super cool jar. So we hope that you will take your meditation jar and spend a little bit of time exploring your own thoughts. We hope you'll have some fun with your kids doing it. And we're just really glad you joined us today. So thanks for watching.
Bye!
You know it's gonna make it in somewhere.
I'm editing videos.